Alright, watch what I go on, people. Right now, me I head to the supermarket. Me need to get some candle. I just received some more donations, so thank you guys. So everybody we are donate. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys. Remember, if you want to donate and you don't donate, the link them there in the description. You have a PayPal, you have the GoFundMe, anyone you rather, anyone you want, you can use. Alright? So me I head to the supermarket right now. Me I get some candle. Me I get some destroyer because West them not have no electricity down there. So they need some type of light, and this is the only light that I can get right now. Some candles, alright? And you don't know some mosquitoes are whole heap here. So we get some destroyer, some repellent where we can get rid of a few the insect as well, alright? So we are gonna add one of those to the care package. We'll try to see if we can get a box of candle and a box of destroyer. One or two boxes. We're gonna see where the money can reach. Alright? So big up to everybody we are donating. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. And see that you guys seen what your donation going towards. Alright? So wanna just watch the process. Love you all. Remember, if you don't donate and you want to donate, the link is in the description. It's in the comment section as well. Alright? Wanna watch the process. Banging. See candle them here, people. We want a case of them here. Case of candle. And we have destroyer. We are trying to get a case of destroyer as well. Right, if them not have it by a case, we have to go take it off our shelf. So we get a case of destroyer. Look for and see it? Yeah, man. So them are look at destroyer, the candle them for. We have two brand of candle right here, so. So we get a case of them. We add a pack to every care package, alright? You know watch the process. All I water them done, people. Me get 3 cases alone, me get everything done. I hear say water them normally pack. Look what I go on with the trolley now, people. We get 3 cases of water. We get 2 of them big water here. 2 cases of them big one there. So we got cash now. And head out of here. Watch the process. Alright, look what I go on, people. So we get 3 more cases of water. We have some more a yard. So we get 3 more cases of them. The little one them size here. And we get we have 3 cases of them big size one here. Alright. So people them just donate, so we just come and grab them here. We get one box of destroyer for add to the package, and we get the candle them. So we add a candle as well. Alright. That is it. Alright, so right now me I go head home. Me I go pack out them there in the candle and the destroyer. Me I put them in a one separate plastic bag. Because I don't want to put them with the food, you get me? So I put them in a one bag by themselves. So, just like this. It's like how you have 2 of them. Yeah, so we are going to do it. Alright? So, every family can get a pack of candle, a pack of destroyer. Alright? 6 candle hole in a candle. 6 candle hole in the pack. Alright? Yeah. And I don't know how much destroyer they in there now. 10 coil. Yeah, 10 coil there in a 1 pack. Alright, so that we are gonna do. So thank you guys to everybody we are donate. Really appreciate it. And if you want to donate, the link them there in the description. You have the PayPal, you have the GoFundMe. Just click it. Also, I'm going to pin it in the comment section as well, so that you can see it more easy as well. Big up to everybody we are donate. Every single one of you. I love you guys so much. You guys are making a difference and really appreciate it, alright? So we'll get them here, pack out when we go home, and get them ready for drop off when we head west, alright? So when we do this 1 year, the next one where we are go back at St. Elizabeth, but we are going in the community then. We're not going to the main town areas. Yeah. So that are going from what are going. This video not gonna be a long video, it's just a little update of the next video that I did post when we did went shopping. Alright, we never get none of the destroy and we never get the Kango. So we come back and we get that, alright? And also people, if you don't have barrel and you want to ship them to me, just send me a message on Instagram or email. Me get back to you quick. I just send the message to and me that I write and I text you back as well, alright? So yeah man, so you can send it to me, I can help you guys get it clear and I can distribute it for you guys as well and let them know say it come from such and such and Nigel Yahman at distribute it for them, for you, alright? Any person send it to me, I distribute it on the behalf of you we send the barrel, alright? Or anything you send, box, barrel, anything at all, alright? So big up to everybody who donate again. Enough love and respect. Alright people, so I reach home you now. So right now what I go do now, I go pack out the candles and the destroyer. So I do them like this. You get me? So we have pack them and I put them in a every care package can get a pack of something. So one destroyer and one candle. Alright? Cause most of them people, most of them no like not down there as me talked before. So I think this is one good idea right here. So if it's a good idea, comment it down below and let me know. If you don't think this is one good idea. Alright? So that I go on from what I go on. So may I get couple of them set up. Alright? I'm want to big up to everybody who are donating, every single one who are donating. Because as a donation come in, we get some donation today and we just run Goddess supermarket wholesale and just grab them here. So I grab a pack of destroyer, I grab two box of candle right here so. And I grab 3 cases of small water, 3 cases of the next one. I did have some more water as well, you get me? But people, if you don't want to be a part of this movement, the link them there in the description. Alright, me have the PayPal and me have the GoFundMe. And also if you want to send a barrel or send a box of stuff for me distribute, you can just link me on Instagram or you send me an email. Right? And I answer every message. You get me? I just send it and me that I answer you right now. Even before you click the send button, and me I answer you. Alright? So yeah man. So I wanna just reach out. I love the support. I love the strength to everybody I give. I really appreciate it. Right? Cause without you guys this wouldn't be possible at all. Cause me couldn't do it by myself. Tell you the truth, me couldn't do this by myself, people. So me have to give you no thanks. Alright? So remember, if you want to donate, look how we are doing. This is the candle and the destroyer. And also I'm going to show you what we have in a care package. So I'm show you that. When we finish pack out them here, I'm going to show you what one care package entail. What they in it, alright? So now just go and watch the process, big up on yourself, love you all. Remember again people, if you want to be a part of this movement and you want to donate, I could have be $1, $2, $3, any amount of money you feel like you want to donate. Just click one of the link them, the PayPal, the GoFundMe, them there in the description. And also people, eventually, you know, if you raise enough funds, I see some people house, them not have nowhere to live, them house blow away just the foundation alone there. So if you raise enough funds, we also would like to build back their house as well. Get some plywood, get some zinc, get some nail. You see me? Get some things we need if we can build back a board house. Right? So if we raise enough funds, that's the next step we want to take, but we have to creep before we can walk. We have to take with time because them say every mickle make a muckle. So we have to do what we can do now, alright? We have to start somewhere. We can't say, oh, do something, and we not start. We have to start with something first. So if I want bottle of water, you can give back to somebody, do it. If I want one box of candle, you can give somebody, yeah, do it. Just do what you can afford. Don't try to overdo it. Alright? So, I finish pack out them here. When I check in back, I show you when I'm done. And then I show you where one care package into here. Big up on yourself again. Love on you. Watch the process. The link there in the description. You go and check out the link then. Alright? Meanwhile, I do the package them. So you go and check out the link them. Alright? Watch the process. Alright, so what we have right just all like candle them. Destroyer. So that are going and what are going. Alright. So now I'm going to show you where one care package entail. Alright, so this is what in a care package. You have rice, you have 2 bottles of water, you have a cup oil, you have a sardine, you have 3 mackerel, you have 3 ramen, you have a tin sachets, and you have soap, 2 toilet paper, wipe, and also them are gonna get this as well, but I'm not putting it in the bag with the food because of the destroyer. So we are gonna put the candle and the destroyer separate. We're not gonna tie it in the care package with the rice and the flour and so forth because the destroyer have a scent and I don't want it for there with the food. Alright? So we're gonna do that. Give them that. Probably tie it on the outside of the bag or so. You get me? But I want to make sure so everybody get a pack of destroyer and a pack of candle. Right? So that is what you need. So big up to everybody who are donate. If you don't donate as yet and you want to be a part of this movement, the link in the description. Click it and do the right thing. Alright? I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the encouragement. I say all I want to comment. Thank you guys so much. You guys, I just want to continue to do this. Alright? So you guys just do the right thing. The 2 links them in the description. The GoFundMe and the PayPal. So anyone who wish to donate to, you can pick one. And remember, if you don't have barrel or box, anything you want to ship a yard, you just ship it. And you can ship it directly to me. I can clear it and I can distribute it for you. Alright, I make them know say it's coming from you. Whoever send it, I will let them know it's from that person. So you just link me on Instagram, and when it come, me tell you how much you clear the barrel or so, and we can get it and do the right thing. Alright, so big up on yourself. Thank you guys. Next video we're not gonna see when we give out them here. Alright? Banging. Love on you all.